First of all, what is compound interest? Compound interest is a computation that is based on a principal due. It also changes in time. Secondly, there are a few important terms that we should know about compound interest. First of all, we have P, which is original principal. We have K, which is nominal interest rate. We also have I as interest rate per interest period. And then we have N, which is number of interest period. S, which is future value of maturity value. And lastly, we have I, which is interest amount.
I will use the important terms that have been told by my friend Faris, my group mate just now. So there's 4 important formula in this chapter. It is future value, interest rate per interest period, number of interest period, and interest amount. How do we find future value in this chapter? So the formula is S equals to P in bracket 1 plus I close the bracket and to the power of N. So you could refer to the important terms for finding the meaning under the words under the alphabet of S, P, I, and N. So the second formula is I equals to K over M. It is how to find the interest rate. So the formula is interest rate per interest period. And the third formula is number of interest period. How we find it is the formula is N equals to M times T, or N equals to MT. So the last formula is interest amount. It is I equals to S minus P that have been given by our group. So the question that been given is Mijan put 24,920 sen at a monthly compound interest rate of 2.35% into a saving account. What is the total of accumulative value after 4 years? First thing first, we need to find out what the question wants from us. So here we got the keyword here. What is the total of accumulative value? Accumulative value, in other words, is future value. So what is future value in the important terms that have been told by my friend Faris just now? The important value is the future value in the important terms is S. So what the question wants is S. So calculation. First we need to find the principal. The principal is 24,920 cents. The rate is 2.35% or 0.0235, and the terms in years is 4 years, and the M is 1, and what the question need is S. So the equation is S equals to P 1 plus I close the bracket to the power of N. So we just put here, we put the numbers that been given. Future value is still S. The principal is 24,920 cents. Open the bracket and put 1 plus 0.0235 over 1. Close the bracket and 1 times 4. It is because N equals to M times T, and the formula I equals to 0.235 or K over M. So the equation is S equals to 24,920 cents. Open the bracket, 1.0235, close the bracket to the power of N, and settle the equation. S equals to 24,920 cents. 1.0235 to the power of 4 equals to 1.09736576. Just for a friendly reminder, we need to take all of the decimal point behind. Until the final answer, we will just take last 2 decimal point. So the final answer will be S equals to 27,423 ringgit and 39 cents. So that is all for the question 1, and we will see you back at question.
My name is Muhammad Yaish. So I will continue a little bit. For example, for 4 years, they invested 24,993 20 cents at a compound annual interest rate of K% if 70,000 ringgit is the accumulated amount. Find K. So
is annuity. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of payment made at equal interval. in a simple topic, which is S, capital S is a future value of annuity, capital A present value of annuity, R amount of periodic series, small n number of interest period or payment, and small I for interest rate per interest period. So this is the formula for annuity. They are divided into two, which is saving and loan, and they have each of saving and loan have two formula. First formula for saving is S equal to R 1 plus I in bracket the power of n minus 1 over I. And the second formula for saving is I equals to S minus R in bracket of n. For loan, we use formula A equals to R 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I the power of negative n. Next, for loan, they also have two formula, which is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I the power of negative n over I. And the second formula for annuity for loan.
So, we go to the example 1. Daniel bought a brand new Toyota Vios by making down payment of Rm 7,610 and had to settle monthly payment of Rm 805 ringgit for 9 years. Find if rate was 3% compound monthly, find the price of the car. 7,610 ringgit 10 cents. R equals to 805. I equals to 0.03 and equals to 9. So how we find the cash price? So CP equals to DP plus R in the bracket of 1 minus bracket of 1 plus I of the power of negative n over I. So CP equals to 7,610 ringgit 10 cents plus 805 in the bracket 1 minus in the bracket of 1 plus 0.03 close bracket negative in the power of negative 9 over 0.03 close bracket. So CP equals to 8,415 ringgit and 10 cents in the bracket of 7,7.86108,922. Cash price equals to RM 65 ringgit 55,520 ringgit and 90 cents. So we continue to example 2. If Daniel 90 cents. So we continue to example 2. If Daniel not pay the first 8 payments, how much should he pay on 9 months to settle his arrears? Minus R in the bracket of 1 plus I in the close bracket power of n and minus 1 over I close bracket. So Sn equals to 805 ringgit open bracket of 1 plus 0.03 close bracket in power of 9 minus 1 over 0.03 close bracket. So Sn equals to 805 ringgit in the bracket of 10.15910613 close bracket. So Sn equals to 8,178 ringgit and 8 cents. So thank you. That's all for today from group 7.